Finding a quiet, productive place to study can be a major challenge for students and business professionals alike. Here is a sample look at an innovative business solution designed to tackle that exact problem. A Cup of Joy is a budget-friendly cafe and study lounge located near universities in Bacolod City. It made for students, board exam reviewees, and young professionals who need quiet place to work. It solves the problem of noisy coffee shops, strict library hours, and expensive co-working spaces. For just only 50 to 100 pesos, customers can buy a good cup of coffee and get full access to a comfortable co-working space with fast Wi-Fi and charging station. The cafe also offers the private rooms you can rent for group study plus a special student discount. By combining a low-cost menu with essential co-working space utilities, this business gives the academic community exact what is needed to be succeed. It is a practical, refreshing concept that makes daily productivity achievable for every budget. Thank you by Capo Joy.